Nothing like a cold Coke on a hot day. What on earth? This cup didn't have a hole in it a minute ago. Wait a minute.
Gotcha, sucker!
You're so gonna pay for that, Mandy.
Yeah, and I'm like, huh? Where'd that car come from?
Ah, smells sweet.
I'll take that. So good.
Hey, what's the deal? That watermelon was for me.
Too slow, I guess.
You make life so difficult sometimes. May as well have a little fun. Once it's split in half, use a spoon to carve out 2 holes. Then stick a bunch of toothpicks in there. She wants to eat my watermelon. Let's see if she'll like a piece with a mouse in it. Have fun in there, little guy. Perfect. There we go.
He left it unattended again. Silly Jake. I'm so getting you back for this, Jake. Hey, look what I've got. Hello? Why isn't he answering his phone? Huh? Jake? He's asleep? Hey! Hello? Is that whipped cream? Let me give you a hand with that. Just a little bit. Bzz, tickle, tickle. Ooh, ka-chicka, chicka, chicka.
Oh. What's going on? Whipped cream?
The show, remember?
Just give me 10 minutes. Water, please.
Anything for you, Jake. She's thirsty, huh? Nothing like a tall glass of water.
Turn on the AC. It's stifling in here.
Huh? Okay.
Want to make me a sandwich? It's freezing. Turn off the AC.
Huh? Nobody orders me around. Huh? This ought to show him. Hey. I'll do a heavy pour this time.
Hey, bring me a soda.
Don't you have a meeting to get to,
Oh, thank goodness. You reminded me. I'm gonna have to take 5 showers to get this all off.
Just gonna rest my eyes for a minute.
Hello, Mr. Pen. Perfect. What's going on in that head of yours? Dreaming, I see. That means it's time for a little fun. Gah! Don't wake up. If she'd just stop moving. Her palm is facing up? It's like she's giving me a little gift. Wait, I know. Nothing like the sight of blood to wake you right up. I guess this'll do. Glue adds a nice bit of texture to the wound. Looks good. Oh, fries! Actually, let's kick this fake wound into high gear. Ketchup style. This is gonna be epic.
What? My hand! Look at what happened to me! Injuries aren't funny, Jake! Wait. Jake? Fine, I'm not mad anymore. That was a pretty good prank, I gotta say. Did this prank work get your brain juice flowing? Which prank will you pull next? And who will the lucky victim be? Just don't get upset with us when they get mad at you. Share this video with your buddies and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on all the pranking action.